I'm just with Mike Roller. So how do you think today went?
Very well. I was expecting a sort of mini Trimble Dimensions. I was in Las Vegas a few years ago, courtesy of KOREC. It's the same sort of thing. It's enlightening. It's keeping up to date with the latest developments, latest technologies, and obviously a lot of networking. So,
What's been your favourite moment of today?
probably so far the talk from Richard Selby about things you don't know about TBC, because I use TBC quite a lot, and there's a lot I don't know about it, but a little bit less now.
Yeah.
I think today's been really insightful. I've really enjoyed it. It's been quite fascinating to go around and talk to different people that I've been in the industry a long time and have never met.
Yeah. What's been your favourite part of today?
I think the discussion groups, I've really enjoyed it. It's been really interesting as someone who's coming out the end of the career, listening to how we're going to engage people to come into the career, and know what they're going to be termed, what they're going to be called.
Yeah,
I think it's quite fascinating.
Yeah. Would you come back to a KOREC and Trimble?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
That's good. Yeah.